guys, we're Christina Bennett from RealOrganized.net, and in this video we're going to help you find the best laundry system possible. Over the last 2 months, we pitched 5 different systems against each other to find the pros and the cons to each system.
Yep. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's the best laundry system for you and your family, and how to do laundry if you don't want to spend any more time or energy on it than you absolutely have to. So say goodbye to those laundry piles and let's go.
I hate doing laundry. It is like my least favorite chore in the home. So the whole point of making this video is for us to find out how to do laundry in a way that would free up some of that time and mental energy that I use on doing laundry or thinking about doing laundry while keeping the clothes clean and not ruined.
Yeah, there are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do laundry, and on that note, thanks for being here. We appreciate it. And there are some great tips in those videos, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna keep things very simple. So unless otherwise stated, this is how we do laundry.
Gather up the laundry, pre-treat the stains if needed, and then put it in the washing machine.
Wait, empty the pockets?
No, I don't do that. Like, we have so many pants every time we do laundry, so if you have something in your pockets you don't want ruin, take it out before putting it in the wash.
Okay, so it's just like trial and error?
Yeah, we haven't had any major accidents so far.
Okay, I've lost a few chapsticks, and that's about it.
I said major. Put in detergent, select mix or everyday program, wash cold or 30 to 40 degrees centigrade. Push start and wait. Take out delicates to line dry, put the rest in the dryer, push cover dry and wait. Empty dryer, fold and put away.
Now, obviously, your family size, your lifestyle, and the number of clothes you wear on a weekly basis determine how much laundry you have to do every time you do laundry. But for the purpose of this video, again, we're not a 5-person family just for the purpose of this video, but we are a 5-person family, and we'll be using that as kind of a baseline for this video. Finally, we've got a very small laundry room, if you can call it that. It's not really a laundry room. It's just a washer dryer in the stairway downstairs. So we're going off of that for the purpose of these experiments. Good thing is, if you have the luxury of space in your laundry room, then you can only take what we are sharing with you and optimize it further.
Yeah, but onto the experiment. The first laundry system we tried out was Laundry Day. So here we put a load in the washer, swap it out to the dryer, put a new load in the washer, then when the dryer is done, take it out, fold it, put it away right away, and be ready for the next load.
During this week, we did 3 loads, all in the same day, but it took 4 minutes to sort the laundry, 8 minutes for logistics, taking it downstairs, putting it in the washer, putting it over into the dryer, and then bringing it back upstairs. 23 minutes to fold the laundry, and then another 10 minutes to put it away, for a total of 45 minutes with this laundry system.
This laundry system was actually the only one that we had enough clothes to separate between darks and lights or other garment specifications.
Yeah, so if you want to wash like by the tags. Does anybody do that?
I think so. I always did until now.
Okay, well, there are a bunch of different ways for how to do laundry in terms of sorting, but how do you sort your laundry? Drop us a comment and let us know.
Another thing I really like about this laundry system is that when you're done, you're done. So it's 1 day a week, you do all laundry, and then you're done. It's not in your face the rest of the week. You feel accomplished. But also, it tended to get me stressed out because I was always thinking about laundry that day. Like, I couldn't go to the grocery store because I had to be home. Actually, I did go to the grocery store and I came home like 5 minutes after the laundry was done, and it was like stressing me out. So it's a lot of mental pressure if you have to like take it out right when it's done and fold it right away.
Just to get like everything done during that day. And we don't want to spoil it, but it did take a long time compared to the other systems.
Yeah. So who would this laundry system be good for?
This would be great for stay-at-home parents that actually have a day that they could just do this, every week. You don't have any major limitations in terms of, number of kids or the ages of those kids. Just as long as your kids don't need constant attention, because spending a lot of time on the laundry in a single day, that can be taxing. The thing is, it's a pretty rigid system. So, you kind of have to be good at sticking to your guns for that laundry day. But if you're good at that, if you're the kind of person that, eats your vegetables to get them out of the way so you can enjoy the good stuff at the end of your meal, then this system is good for you.
Yeah. With laundry system number 2, we did a load every few days whenever needed. Then we kept the laundry downstairs and brought it up 1 time that week to fold it all in 1 sitting.
Here we spent no time on sorting the laundry before washing it. The logistics again took 8 minutes. It took 24 minutes to fold the laundry and then 6 minutes to put it away for a total of 38 minutes.
So with this laundry system, we would really just do a load whenever there was enough clothes in the laundry hamper, which also meant that we couldn't separate between darks and lights or whatever, and we'd have to wash them cold so that the colors wouldn't bleed to each other. So if you have something that's really dirty, like Lucas having a blowout, you'd have to wash that separately. What's good about this laundry system is that you get the washing out of the way quite easily and it's not really a task at all.
Yeah, it's quite flexible in terms of actually washing the laundry, but on the flip side, it becomes a big task to actually fold and put the laundry away. And because you wait with actually folding the laundry, then you're more likely to get wrinkles for the clothes that you've taken out of the dryer maybe, a few days earlier. And again, it takes quite long relative to some of the other systems that are just around the corner.
But because you have so much laundry to fold, you can watch a show while you do it and no one can say anything about it.
But who is this good for?
Well, it's good for people if they don't need to have a super rigid schedule in order to actually get things done, but also for people who don't like being tied down by like Monday I do this, Tuesday I do this.
Yeah. And also, if you don't like the thought of actually doing all of the laundry at once, then this is quite nice. It's quite flexible again. So you can kind of, play it by ear.
Yeah. But you do need to have somewhere where you can store the laundry before you actually fold it. Because you don't want it lying on your floor in your bedroom and then tumbling over it or mistaking it for being dirty and all that sort. For laundry system number 3, we did a load every single day. So do a load every day, fold it right away, put it away right away.
This approach required 5 loads to be done during the week. It took 13 minutes, understandably, on logistics, so a little bit longer, 21 minutes on folding the laundry, and 16 minutes on putting it away, for a total of 50 minutes.
This laundry system actually took the longest of all the 5 that we tried. However, it didn't feel like it took that long. Because I did 1 load every day and it was a small load, then it just felt like I wasn't spending that much time on laundry, even though I was.
If you like the idea of not feeling like you're spending a whole lot of time on household chores, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications, because that's the kind of content that we share. Help you streamline your day-to-day life and feel awesome. No?
That was a really good video.
But I think you kind of have to have a little bit of discipline, because it's easy to slip into system either 2 or 1, and then things pile up if you don't do that 1 load every day. Mm-hmm. And when you're doing 1 load every day, 5 loads, that's not great for the environment. You're spending a lot of power and water on washing your laundry.
And because laundry only takes a couple of minutes every day, you're a lot more likely to grab those towels or those sheets and just do an extra load now and again. This system for how to do laundry is great if you're the kind of person that doesn't have a lot of clothes. Or if you don't want to have a lot of clothes. Get rid of the ones you don't like and only keep the ones you actually like.
Yeah, so I could theoretically wear my Led Zeppelin t-shirt every single day of the week.
Theoretically.
And this system is great for people that have a solid morning or evening routine. In theory, you could put the load into the washer, set a timer, have it be ready and clean by the time that you wake up in the morning, throw it in the dryer, and actually have it done, dry, folded, and put away by the time that you go to work.
Yeah.
In theory.
Wouldn't that be nice? With laundry system number 4, the kids had their own laundry basket. So here we separated by individuals before doing laundry. So the kids had their laundry basket and we had ours. Also, the kids folded and put away their own laundry.
Again, no sorting, everything washed cold. Now we're looking at the time that we spent on this, and the logistics were 8 minutes. It only took us 8 minutes to actually do the folding, and then 3 minutes to put it away, for a total of 19 minutes.
I love this system because it takes half the time of the other systems to do laundry. So that's reason number 1. Also, when I'm doing less folding, or actually just folding for the 2 of us, then it takes less mental space of being like, oh yeah, this goes for the kids, this goes for me, and less piles. So
it's very limited, isn't it? Like you're basically just doing the laundry for us, and you're putting them in the same place.
Yeah, exactly. So a lot more.
Yeah. But it's good that the kids are helping doing laundry, because it teaches them the responsibility. It helps them to feel like they're, part of the household. It can also be quite tricky that the kids are doing laundry, because, you might need to encourage them, especially to begin with. It takes a little bit of time as an upfront investment to get this system
rolling.
Up and running. Yeah. And they might not be quite as organized or neat and tidy when it comes to actually folding and putting the laundry away. But hey, that's their problem to deal with, isn't it?
Well, yeah. So, the kind of people this would be good for are the kind of people who are okay with a kid's drawers not being perfectly everything folded like Marie Kondo would.
And obviously, you'd have to have kids that are old enough to actually be able to do this. Emilia started doing this when...
She's just turning 5.
That's when she started helping out with actually folding the laundry.
And putting it away.
Another prerequisite is that you actually have storage systems for your kids' clothes that the kids can reach. And again, you have to be willing to invest the time and energy to actually instruct the kids on how to help out with the laundry to begin with. Pays off in the long run, though. There aren't really a whole lot of downsides to outsourcing your laundry.
The 5th and final laundry system is a lot like the 4th one. But here, our oldest son, Marcus, did the laundry for the kids. He took it downstairs, he washed it, he brought it upstairs, then his sister divided it into his pile, her pile, and the baby's pile. So all we had to do was our own laundry.
This saved a lot of time on the logistics of taking stuff up and down. We still had 3 loads during the week, but we only spent 3 minutes on basically putting the load over and bringing it back upstairs. It took 8 minutes still to fold the laundry and 4 minutes to put it away, but the total was 15 minutes. This system is essentially the same as laundry system number 4, so the pros and the cons are kind of the same. It's just a little bit more extreme.
Yeah, extreme laundry. The pros are better, the cons are worse. The kids are now washing the clothes themselves, so the chances that something will go wrong during washing are greater than if I was doing it. But the time freed up for me is more because they're also washing the laundry, carrying it up, folding it, putting it away, all that. So I have more time to myself or doing other things than I did before. What we decided to do to minimize the risk of laundry disaster was to, instead of using liquid detergent, was to get the little pods. So all you had to do was just take a pod and put it into the washer, and then that would be that. So you wouldn't overdose the soap.
Yeah, so it's easier for our 8-year-old to actually do the washing, but it can potentially make the laundry detergent bill a little bit higher on a monthly basis.
Yeah.
And there are some safety considerations also. So you want to make sure that your kids, your older kids that are actually helping with doing the washing of the laundry, that they can reach the laundry detergents, but the younger kids can't.
I will say the fact that they're doing adult chores really makes them feel proud. Like, I can't believe how excited that Marcus is to do the laundry. Like, the first time we did it together, second time he's like, Mom, can I do laundry now? Can I do laundry now? Like, he's doing it now. Like, he's done it 4 times, and he is super excited every time. And even our middle child, Emilia, she's excited to sort it into, like, different people's. Like, oh, I did Marcus's, I did mine, and then she actually went on to fold Marcus's laundry and put it away for him, which is unheard of.
Yeah, so this system has actually been surprisingly beneficial to just the mood and feel associated with laundry amongst all the members of this family.
Yeah, and I must say I wasn't expecting to liking it because I like to be in control. And this year I'm giving over a lot of the control to other individuals that are much younger than me. But I must say I am loving all the benefits from this. And the cons aren't really that many.
No. And who is this good for?
Well, it is good for people that have older kids that are able to do laundry. Marcus is 8, so that's when he started, but he probably could have done it like a year ago at least,
yeah.
or more.
And it's great for larger families and people that, don't really like doing laundry, like
Exactly.
us. Yeah. But as you kind of alluded to earlier, maybe not so good if you have a lot of delicate kids' clothes that can't just be washed together, and then you might want to consider a different system.
So, it kind of goes without saying, we're sticking with laundry system number 5.
But that might not be the best system for you.
Which one was your favorite system? Are you going to try one of them? And if so, are you going to make some modifications to make it fit your family? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, and head over to our Facebook page, Real Organized, and share some of your pictures of you implementing your new system. Who knows, maybe we'll feature them on the page or in a video. And if you know somebody who's struggling with their laundry system or how to do laundry, then share this video with them. This has helped us immensely. I'm sure they'd appreciate it, and we would definitely appreciate it if you shared our video. See you next week. With this system, we did 3 loads in 1 week, or in 1 day, because, we did all the laundry. No! That is inappropriate.
Yeah, let's not use this.